Hello, welcome to Waterfilteroo YouTube channel. Hey there, if you're a proud owner of a Samsung French door refrigerator, you're probably well acquainted with its sleek design and advanced features. However, there's a topic we should dive into today: the common ice maker problems that some users encounter. Understanding these issues can save you some headaches down the road. Common ice maker problems: ice maker freezing over. One common issue is ice buildup within the ice maker, leading to a blockage or a stuck machine. This can disrupt the ice making process. While a temporary solution is to remove the ice maker, thaw it out, and reinstall it, it's not a long-term fix. Samsung has issued some troubleshooting steps for specific refrigerator models to address this issue. Failure to dispense ice. Due to the ice maker components freezing over, some users find their ice makers failing to dispense ice cubes. This issue shares some similarities with the freezing over problem, such as water drips or sprays blocking ice dispensing or frost obstructing the air duct. Failure to fully freeze ice. Instead of issues with ice dispensing, you might encounter problems with ice not forming correctly, appearing cloudy or too small. This is often due to incorrect water pressure or dirty water in the supply line, leading to small and weak ice cubes. Ice maker motor defects. Sometimes, the ice maker's auger motor may fail, preventing it from correctly stirring and dispensing ice cubes. If the motor isn't working correctly, your ice maker can get clogged up or stop producing ice altogether. Ice maker water pressure issues. Low water pressure can lead to issues with ice production. If your water pressure falls below 20 psi, you may notice that the ice maker isn't working correctly, producing either no ice or small, shattered cubes. Making dirty or clumped ice. Another issue is receiving dirty or clumped ice instead of individual cubes. This usually happens when the timing of ice dispensing is off. If you don't empty the ice storage bucket regularly, the ice can clump together and block new ice from forming. If your ice cubes appear dirty, consider changing the water filter or flushing out the water line to remove possible contaminants. Troubleshooting. So, what should you do if your Samsung French door refrigerator's ice maker runs into trouble? Here are some troubleshooting steps. Check water pressure. You can test water pressure by trying to dispense at least 3/4 cup of water from the fridge in 10 seconds. If it's too low, that might be the issue. Inspect the water line. Make sure the water supply line isn't broken or blocked in any way. Examine the water filter. If the filter is dirty, it could be blocking the water flow. Try removing it to see if the pressure improves. If it does, consider replacing the filter. Professional help. If these steps don't resolve the problem, it might be best to call a professional to address the issue. In conclusion, Samsung French door refrigerator ice makers are renowned for their occasional hiccups. By maintaining proper water pressure and water filtration and regularly clearing the ice bucket, you can mitigate these issues and keep your appliance running smoothly. Remember, a little maintenance goes a long way in ensuring your ice maker's performance. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to our channel for next topics or click to see the next videos on the right.